want to go over our trading system setups for the last couple of days. We did not trade yesterday or today. We rotated into a new portfolio, and so we paused trading. We sent those updates out. This is the stock index portfolio 27. We also have the portfolio 48 that I will publish soon, and we're waiting for a drawdown to start out on those. We have started out almost 4% on the month, and so profitable on the month and up on the quarter. And these are the strategies in the new stock index portfolio 27. They include 14 NASDAQ strategies that you see here. There are 3 trend strategies in the S&P and 11 counter trend strategies. And so you can see those strategies here. You can see a lot of those taking advantage of this type of market environment, while we also have strategies that can take advantage of markets that make larger moves. For example, the SR counter trends, they have these profit targets. There's tick fader. Here's an SR counter trend signal yesterday. And then you see tick count trend taking these short trades. It's on its 5th trade of the day. Taking small trades, gap fill today. So taking some nice trades on these S&P strategy setups. Let's look at the NASDAQ strategies. These NASDAQ strategies, there are 13 NASDAQ strategies here. There are 7 trend and 6 counter trend strategies in the NASDAQ. And so our ratio overall is slightly tilted to the trend side on the NASDAQ, while it's tilted even further on the S&P to the counter trend side. Overall, we have 10 trend strategies and we have 17 counter trend strategies. So we're anticipating a big move into the end of the year, but we get a lot of these days too, and so we want to be able to take advantage of this. Let's look at the portfolio calculator. This is as of yesterday, November the 15th. You can download this from the portfolio calculator dropdown. This includes many of our strategies that we've had a while. There's only one new strategy, Momentum Fader, that we published in our money management algorithms members area, and you can see I typically look at the drawdown curve first. It's one of the first things I look at is the drawdown curve. Love the cyclical nature of the drawdown curve, especially the last 5 years, and the fact that over the last 15 years, the worst case drawdown is at a favorable level of 22.5K, and so divide by 10 approximately on the micros. The micros sometimes trade a little better, and sometimes trade a little worse than the E-minis. They're not exactly the same. Some of the signals are different on different days. So this is an approximation and is a hypothetical performance summary using $25 round turn slippage and commission. I'll show you the multi-charts portfolio trader as well. This is the equity curve in the multi-charts portfolio trader. Sometimes the results are slightly different. This goes back to 2020. I ran it quickly. A longer back test takes a little longer. The average trade profit is 139 or 135 for long trades, 102 for short trades. That's inclusive of slippage and commission. So I like this setup. Once again, we did not trade the last couple of days. We are waiting for a drawdown alert in this as well as the 250K portfolio. The 250K portfolio setup will trade the portfolio 48, which is a combination of the stock index portfolio 27 with a few changes, as well as some commodity strategies, and this has a 24/555 drawdown, and I really like the cyclical nature of this equity curve as well. This one includes natural gas, silver, gold, crude oil, and the S&P and NASDAQ. You can see a complete list. The portfolio calculator has been updated on the portfolio calculator page. I'm going to show you where you can get that. Go to www.capstonetradingsystems.com, market portfolios. You can see the stock index portfolio. You can get the portfolio calculator, which is an Excel spreadsheet. And the portfolio 48 will be listed here shortly, as well as the SR counter trend portfolio. So you'll have access to all that data, performance metrics, and research. If you're a subscriber, you will have received this update today. We are waiting for a drawdown alert. I will send that out when we start trading it live. And so wait for that, and if you have any questions, contact us. We won't have any live trades until we go live again. We'll be tracking the hypotheticals though. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.